Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on and configuring Nearby Share on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Nearby Share allows you to send and receive files with other Android devices nearby. Start by going to the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, select Connection and Sharing. In Connection and Sharing, select Nearby Share. Turn Nearby Share on by tapping the toggle at the top. By default, your device will be hidden from other people. Tap Device Visibility to always be visible to your contacts. Now, whenever you want to receive files, you need to swipe down to the control panel and tap the Nearby Share button to temporarily make your device visible to receive file send requests from everyone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.